and still on the remote work from home jobs because there's so many opportunities out there for people that are either looking for a second income stream and or are actually unemployed and are looking to actually get a job. Hi guys, welcome to Mbali Talks, your plug for all things side hustles, how you can actually make money online, and just generally how we can all gain financial freedom. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 companies who have websites that are always hiring for people that are actually looking for work from home jobs. One of the realities that I actually enjoy from having gone through the pandemic a couple of years ago is the idea that people can now start working for different companies, literally from anywhere in the world. You could be all the way in the United States working for a company that's based in South Africa, as well as vice versa. So in this video, I want to suggest to you websites that have different companies that come onto their platform to host different jobs from around the world, looking for people just like you and I to work for them literally from anywhere in the world. If this sounds like something that you'd actually like, you've actually landed on the right video. Please don't be shy to join the Mbali Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button below. And also, if you've been with us since day one, hey, hi, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are the reason this channel stays alive. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. First website you can check out if you're looking for a place that hosts a lot of remote work from home jobs is called Working Nomads. Working Nomads hosts companies that offer 100% fully remote jobs worldwide for digital marketing nomads as well as remote workers. Whether you're seeking full-time, part-time or contract jobs that allow you to work remotely from your home or anywhere in the world, they are one of the best platforms that you can come onto if you're looking for a remote work from home job. As you can see here, they have 2 tabs. One is to find a job, which is basically what you and I are doing. The other is to post a job, which is basically the tab that the companies that host all these jobs actually use in order for them to post all these jobs that you actually see. To the left of the website, you're going to see that they have this job title, keyword or company search tab here, which you can use if you want to dial down and be specific on the type of job that you actually want to do. Not only that, they have this location tab here, which you can scroll down on. As you can see, they categorize it either by regions or by the country. You can also search for a job using the category, whether you're an admin, consulting, development, human resources, sales, etc. There are many different categories that you can actually choose from as a way for you to actually drill down on the type of job that you want. There's also a position type, which means you can come here and decide whether you want it to show full-time jobs or part-time jobs or only just contract jobs, and also the kind of salary that you want. I generally would not tamper much with this as somebody who's looking for a remote job online with no experience, because it means you would be limiting yourself to the types of jobs that could easily be available for somebody again who has no experience. So I would just most likely leave it at the 0 tab so that obviously it can show all the different types of jobs that are potentially available either in that location, based on that keyword and or in that category. Most of the jobs, as you can see, are demoted as anywhere, which means they are not discriminatory about where you're from in the world, so long as you obviously have the skill and or the qualification for the kind of job that they've advertised. I normally like searching using the location, so I came here and I typed in South Africa, but you can also type in your own country. And I clicked here to show all the jobs that are actually currently available in South Africa. I will be honest to say that a lot of the Working Nomads jobs that I've actually seen here that are from South Africa actually relate to people that are in the IT and or software development space. However, there are jobs that I actually did come across that do not require you to be an IT specialist or anything like that. For example, there's this health and fitness writer job here, which is denoted as remote. You can work from anywhere. It's a contract job and you're going to be working in copywriting, and the only skill that you need is for you to obviously know how to read and write English. In addition, there's this head of performance marketing job. There's also this remote customer support specialist job, which is actually hiring people from also Europe, Canada, Latin America, as well as Asia, besides just South Africa alone. So once you're ready to find that remote work from home job for yourself, you can easily come onto here and use this left tab to decide how you want to drill down onto the job category and or type that you want in order for you to get a job on Working Nomads. The next website you can check out if you're looking for a place where they host a lot of remote jobs is called Test Gorilla. Test Gorilla is actually a platform again for companies to come and host the different jobs that are actually available worldwide. When you land on their website, immediately you can see the different types of job categories that are actually available. Whether you are looking for a job in back-end development, in customer service, in data management, in HR, in sales, in engineering, in finance, and or in product management and development. These are all the different categories that you can actually check out. They also have other, if in case you get onto their website and you discover that they do not have any of your categories listed here, you can always come onto this other tab to find out what other jobs are actually available. When I look further into the jobs, you're going to see that there's jobs that are specifically going to tell you where they're actually hiring. For example, there's this United States job, there's a job in the Philippines, etc. However, if you are not from any of the regions that are actually denoted next to the job, you can always focus on the jobs that are written worldwide remote, because those are the types of jobs that are actually going to be willing to hire people from anywhere in the world. And there's quite a few of this, as I noticed when I was scrolling down. For example, there's this client experience specialist position, there's this IT and tech admin support specialist, there's also this M&A strategist, which is basically wanting a loan originator. So there's many opportunities that you can take advantage of on a platform just like Test Gorilla. Another thing that I noticed about Test Gorilla, which I actually loved, is the fact that they do have a feature that allows you to take an assessment with them in order to see what kind of job that you'd actually be eligible for on their website. Whether you're a job seeker or applicant, you're in the right place. Test Gorilla is your ticket to demonstrating your talent to the world. Their platform offers a wide range of scientifically validated tests to highlight your abilities and skills beyond just your resume. So obviously you would need to have a resume in order for you to apply for the jobs that are available on Test Gorilla. However, you can always take the assessment, obviously, in order for you to be able to showcase more of your skills and abilities as a way to gain competitive advantage from all the other people that could potentially be wanting the same job. So I just thought that was actually worth mentioning, because I feel like it's not every day where you find a website that's actually willing to help you to harness your skills to make your resume look better. So if you're somebody who's looking for a remote work from home job with endless possibilities, then definitely Test Gorilla is one of the websites that you should check out. The next website that you can look into if you're looking for a host of work from home remote jobs is called Twine. I will be honest and say that I don't think that their website is very user friendly, but once you've gotten the hang of it, it becomes easier for you to be able to navigate it. So I would definitely watch this part of the video if it's one of the platforms you're interested in checking out. The first thing we're going to do is to click this Find Work tab in order for us to see the kind of jobs that are actually available. This lands you on this page where they post different freelance jobs with top global clients. They say you can get job leads across 150 different specialisms, including graphic design, development, AI, music, marketing, animation, video, as well as illustration. So there's a wide variety of different industries that are actually hosted here on Twine, which is something that I saw in the previous page if you had scrolled all the way down their website. Some of the clients that you would probably expect to work for: Netflix, Amazon, Experian, Wix, Intuit, Avast, etc. There's quite a lot of freelance jobs that you can actually explore on a platform just like Twine. But like I said, it's not a very user-friendly website, so I just want us to stick onto this Find Work tab in order for us to continue the next step. Once you click that tab, it's going to bring you here where it says you should actually create a profile for yourself on Twine. You're going to choose a username, select the type of account you want, whether you want an account as a freelancer or you're actually a client. But obviously, we are not here as clients, we are more freelancers looking for jobs. You'll be required to put in your email, create a password, and or you can actually sign in using whatever Gmail, Google account that you actually have. However, a way around you actually creating an account, just to give you a feel of the types of jobs that are actually available, I came onto this Find Freelance Jobs tabs just to see all the things that are actually available under freelance. Fortunately, I noticed that allows you to actually come into this page where they actually start showing you the different jobs. For example, here they are looking for a professional voiceover artist for a research project. You can either speak Japanese, Dutch, French, be Canadian, or even English with a Scottish and or an Irish accent. The job is denoted as remote, is going to pay you 300 USD just for you to be a voiceover artist. And this job is actually denoted as priority, which means whoever posted this job on Twine is somebody who's looking for people ASAP. And as you scroll down, you're going to see that there's a lot of other jobs that are actually available on more of a freelance basis. However, like I said, you will not be able to see a lot of the other jobs that are actually available if you're somebody who's not actually created a profile. Not only that, when you look at some of the job positions, you're going to realize that they are not just denoting as remote, but they are country and or region specific. So obviously they would relate to those people that are actually in that country. But if you're not in that country, then if I were you, I would focus more on the jobs that are written remote in order for you to be able to find a work from home job and therefore be able to create whatever second income for yourself and or to find a job online that can allow you to work remotely from anywhere in the world. The next website you can check out is actually true to its word if you're looking for a remote work from home job. This is called Trulancer. And the reason it's called Trulancer is that they specifically work a lot with freelancers, which is basically people that are looking for contract and or for part-time jobs. If you have freelance job skills, you can actually start making money on their platform today. Trulancer is a curated freelance marketplace with thousands of top freelance jobs that you can look into if you're looking for something as a side hustle and or you're just looking for a job that is not on a more permanent basis. Immediately when you land on their website and click this Find Jobs tab, it actually takes you to this page here where they immediately list all the jobs that are currently available. What I like about them is the fact that they actually divide the jobs into either the latest, the most popular, the featured jobs that are ending, which means they are actually time sensitive, so you need to rush quickly in order for you to apply before the job opening actually closes up, and those that are high budget, which are obviously those that are more likely to pay you more money. They also do show that they have jobs in a variety of industries such as IT and programming, graphic design and multimedia, writing and content translation, data entry and admin, social media management, etc. There's just so many industries that you can actually look into if you're looking for remote work from home jobs on a platform just like Trulancer. Scrolling down on the website, you're going to see that there's already jobs that are listed. For example, there's this position here that says English books needs to be typed in MS Word, which basically means they're looking for someone who has experience in MS Word. And quite honestly, Microsoft Word is one of the most easiest apps that you can actually work on when it comes to the Microsoft tools, so you don't even need to be an expert in Microsoft Word. This job is offering 397 USD for you to just be able to type out a document and or books in MS Word. There's also this job here that says register and review, which basically means you'll just go to a website and register and then tell the person who posted this job your username and how your experience was on that website. For that job alone, which could potentially take you anything between 5 to 10 minutes, you can stand to make $10. The more you scroll down their website, the more you can see the different jobs that are actually available. I do like the idea of actually being able to work part-time, because for some of the jobs that we've actually been talking about, a lot of those companies are looking for people more on a permanent basis. And even though there are those that are flexible with the hours, you might find that a platform just like Trulancer is what you are looking for if you're looking for something that is less permanent and more part-time and or contract basis. I have put the links in the description box for all the companies that we've spoken about on this video thus far. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of this video. I do hope that you've been able to find websites that you can actually look into if you're looking for a remote work from home job. Here's the honest truth about remote work from home jobs, guys. You're not going to be able to get them for doing absolutely nothing. If you want fast cash, quick cash, then please try out all the other apps and or places that I recommend for you to make fast cash, which obviously will not make you a millionaire. But if you're looking for a real job where you can actually need to sit down, have some time aside in your week in order for you to be able to do, then these are some of the websites that you can actually check out as mentioned in this video, which can go a long way. You will be required, of course, to have a resume for some of these companies, but that's exactly the application process that you would go through even if you wanted to work in a physical office. The only difference with working remotely is the fact that it gives you a bit of freedom for you to be able to, say, maybe go for lunch with a friend or just to balance out your other activities, because obviously you do not need to be sitting at a desk 24/7. I just thought let me highlight that, because sometimes I feel like when we talk about this kind of videos, people can get a bit sort of irritable in thinking, now I need to put in a bit of work. Of course you need to put in work if you're somebody who wants to get paid 14,000 USD on a monthly basis. It would not make sense for you to just want to sit at home, do absolutely nothing and get paid that amount of money. Otherwise, just pick up your phone and play games on them on all the other websites and apps that I actually suggest for you to make quick cash. If you made it to the end of this video, then please do reward me for all the work that has gone into it by just hitting the like button. And if you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button. I promise you it's absolutely free, but it allows us to be able to share your time by you joining the Bali Talks community and also putting on your notification bell so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Bali Talks. Otherwise, I wish you guys all the best in finding remote work from home jobs. I'm going to see you in the next Bali Talks video. Cheers.